Max Gomez's father imparted a lesson that would define Max's career. He told his son, "When people choose to work with you or listen to you, they choose to trust you. Don't betray it." Those words, originally spoken in Spanish, shaped and distinguished Dr. Gomez's career as a health and science journalist. During his years as a reporter for both local and national TV news, Dr. Max, as he prefers to be called, stayed true to his father's words. His reportorial excellence has earned the trust of millions of viewers, as well as numerous prestigious journalism awards, including an impressive 9 Emmys. Dr. Max isn't just good at communicating with experts, he's an expert himself. After attending Princeton University, he pursued his PhD at the Wake Forest University School of Medicine, eventually landing a National Institutes of Health postdoctoral fellowship at Rockefeller University. Surprisingly, his road to medical journalism had a rather non-medical start. Dr. Max was a staff DJ on the college radio station. It was only after a nudge from a classmate that Dr. Max swapped the headphones of a radio DJ for the microphone of a TV reporter.
If you've ever injured your knee, it can be hard to tell exactly what's causing the pain.
And what an impact he has made. His gift for distilling complex technical information into easy-to-follow explanations helps to distinguish Dr. Max as a consummate communicator.
Congratulations to
Well
both you guys.
done.
Now, I don't know, how do we address you now? Do we have to,
Dr. Gray Hair.
Add in his signature, calm, measured delivery with its occasional touches of humor, and it's understandable why so many consider him more than just an authoritative, trusted voice,
That's the subject of ongoing, intense research.
but almost as a friend. In fact, he was recognized by Mount Sinai's Icahn School of Medicine for his flawless ability to synthesize medical research, as well as for his charm and charisma that light up the room. According to New York City's Department of Health, his coverage of the September 11th attacks helped to reduce fear and anxiety. The city honored him with its Excellence in the Time of Crisis award.
The best way to prevent getting infected.
Now, 20 years later, Dr. Max again played a vital role in reducing fear and anxiety.
Could the COVID vaccine cause infertility in women of childbearing age? Debbie, there's no evidence that the vaccines cause infertility.
This time the crisis was COVID. Carefully crafted with facts and credibility, his reports dispelled harmful misinformation, giving understanding and hope to the many living in fear of infection. His talent is also reflected on the printed page as the co-author of several books about cutting-edge medical technology. Dr. Max has a heart as big as the city he loves and calls home. Always generous with his time, he's served on multiple boards of directors and advisors, including the National Board of Directors for the American Heart Association, the Princeton Alumni Weekly, the Partnership for After-School Education, and, of course, the Cura Foundation.
Brain stimulation has been
A tireless proponent of accurate and effective reporting, he somehow finds time to mentor journalism and medical students, as well as physicians interested in medical journalism. And Dr. Max lives by his principles. Often called upon to interview people during some of the most trying moments of their lives, when tragedy struck close to home, he was not reluctant to open up about his own experiences. He shared the harrowing story of his father's financial and medical battle with Alzheimer's, as well as reporting his own ordeal undergoing surgery for neck pain. Asked why he willingly reveals such highly personal stories, Dr. Max pointed to his father as inspiration. He taught by example, and I strive to do the same. For educating the public, leading by example, and providing hope to millions of viewers in times of crisis, we award Dr. Max Gomez the Pontifical Hero Award for Inspiration.